This is the first time I'm actually seeing her on a live. She's never been on live.
Hi everyone.
Hi Sheilah.
Bana imwe balekula live.
Amina.
Yeah, this is amazing. This about now Ogambo barista.
You look beautiful.
Really? Thank you.
Sheilah, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay.
Swazoli no mukisa olabole se Sheilah kulai.
Muwanguzi omwana wamusibeke njala Swazi nawe.
Senate oli Swazi yasizo kutunyiza. Muwanguzi olabole se Sheilah.
Yakunyiziza ate yakoze ate.
So far Sheilah bintu yabitegera ainenge jakuma abantu. So far tuine milioni 8 mu emitwala 2. Ask these guys, there are 44,000 Ugandans. If each of them gives this boy 1K, that's about 40 millions. Yes.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Abantu bitwale na buli omune watera ko no mwana.
Neya, did you tell what's the initiative like yagala college? Bruno wamubuziza. What's his future plan? What does he want to do?
He wants to like start up like a garage. Ayagala nyokanika.
Oh,
first again I gave into yes. Agena big because he stopped in form 3. Then yali amuwerera obusobozi ne bugwawo. But he would love to go back and go kukanika, then akole garage because he loves those things of kanika. Second, he cannot do hard work kubanga ina bone issue. There's some medical papers. Magumba ge gamarade, but you know health issues we cannot disclose them on live, but and it's about his bones and not doing too much. Yanga wasembo kusawa wazirika.
Amanya sigaza mugali nya ku buliri.
But if it's not so complicated, I think it also can be corrected. Maybe like supplements.
I want doctors who can help us, but we see what's wrong with him. Then we see if we can fix that. Yes, we see if we can fix that.
Okay.
Yeah, but Ugandans are they're really doing their best so far. Tuina 8,290,000. All right, that's good. 8 million. There is a gentleman who has given Muwanguzi a plot in Bara.
Oh wow, Java yes. In Bara. Anyway, the Chanamwagaddeko bambi yastenze come with all the drama. There's so much drama. Nenze Bruno netimo mbadde njagala babuuza. What was the reason why they did the DNA? Bara anira bintu. What is the? When did Paul Kafeero die anyway?
Bili
Musanvu is what? 2007.
2007.
Naye kati ate lwaki babikoze kati?
I think one kind of property. So they wanted to so they wanted to kusala ko kumagini abakaya nire ebintu ndoza finding out who is I don't know. So
there were too many kids, like 40.
Nenze chengamba. Maybe my advice. I've been saying this drama. Advise yange Muwanguzi biri ebya DNA biveko. Are concentrating on himself. So thankfully, Bruno and Timo have put this together. Sent the two gain no more. Zengena more yo million bidi. Na is it this number? This
you can put on the Airtel.
I've been asking about the numbers. There's an online.
Yes, there's a zero screen here.
Okay, but I think one of them is full. What's your limit? You should check your Airtel.
Bananga abetano mulindeko teka ko mulindeka abetano shira soka amale bino. Abetano.
Yes. Sonze nyagala mu omanyi there is one thing giving people money naye kirala chichiche bagenda okukozesa. The money over.
I'm going to follow it up.
What are their plans? I think that's the thing that I had with Bianca. Yes, oyamba omuntu naye chichicha ayagala. Ekirungi you guys have identified waba ayagala bya kukanika. Then chabera akola ki ate tatuswaza bannange. Manyi sobola okubeera wano. Omuntu ne tumuyamba ne later after some time natandika otuswaza. In a way whereby people have given, I've seen this beautiful lady, very beautiful, dark skinned lady. She has given their money ate later tulire nti ate bamusanze atamira takola be bakoze. So Muwanguzi this is from me to you, maybe to money.
Wow.
Ne abantu bakukwat my Luganda is not bakukwatiza ekisa bakwagadde. So buli kimu kye bagenda okukola okuwa oba okuyamba beero like tokola ki sigala ku mulamwa ebya DNA, because I'm seeing people saying about they take them in America and all that. Ne property people sell things ne bigwawo.
Naye Sheila, one quick question. Amazima nga wajja ekifaananyi kya Kafeero n'otunuulira Muwanguzi weetaaga
Nze namulaba since the other time we baavaayo. I was shocked. I personally, I don't know Kafeero's music like that. Like I don't know so much.
Yeah.
Ne nalaba that picture and him ne ngamba, this person is actually even Grenade looks like that guy, you know. I mean, Paul Kafeero. It's crazy. But naye bambi ye situation yagihandolinze bulungi.
He's a silent champ. And you know, the most amazing thing, Sheila, I did speak with him before we came to the live. I told him, I don't want to embarrass me ever. The good thing with me, I do a follow-up story. I follow up. What are you doing? And that's what I told. The good thing, he came with these people who are guardians. Then, guys, if people are going to give this guy a lot of money, but one thing I hate is that would be so bad for me. I'll feel so devastated. I'll feel so broken.
But yeah.
Just help me and plan for this guy's money very well. And we laid out a plan, and I'm going to follow up and make sure that he gets whatever we have planned here. Because the twagala suswaza. Era kino nkigamba ne auntie ne sister wa Muwanguzi bannaye sente za Muwanguzi muzikwate bulungi.
Temusoko kwesanyusaako.
It comes from a Christian family. These people are not money hungry.
Are you sure? But pastors are the most money hungry people, Bruno. What are you saying? Bruno. No, I mean, I don't judge them, but don't give an example of church.
But by the way, one thing I'd like to thank you, and we have made history. This is the biggest live in East Africa.
Oh, you're almost at 50,000.
We're going to make it. Nobody in East Africa has done this. So Ugandans, big up on yourselves. We are still the biggest guys. Ugandans, bless yourselves, bless yourselves. This is amazing. And we are.
So have you guys identified the garage that he will learn from?
I will. Those ones, sister, right? I'm very sure my inbox is full. We have a lot of people in it telling me. But makanika abali yongo sobola somesa omwana ono tukira mu inbox yange. I will listen to all of you, then I'll pick out the best who is going to help him amusomese. Njagala Muwanguzi ayigukanika motoka. Then we can help him set up a garage and other things. The good thing now Muwanguzi even has land. So remember mutapinga screen tuweze mitwale tano tunacho chigwe tuchibale ntichiwede, but I can still see money coming through. Guys are still sending money.
I'm just trying to do it now.
Yeah, I can see guys keep sending money. Like the Airtel is in the names of the MTN is in the names of Naluja Rebecca. The MTN.
The guy doesn't have a phone.
He does. Kakano mlageshira iPhone 17 yo. Jirageshira.
Yatugambe kuliko TikTok.
iPhone 17. He does have
TikTok.
iPhone 17. Can you add Shira on Twitter?
Be serious, Bruno. Okay, so I'm going to. Can we keep talking until midnight? Because I'm waiting for my new bank limit.
No
my online banking, so I can send
we are going to be here, Sheila. Abantu bagambe nyaso mwana basigalenga bamutera ko sente wano bannange mamisha tuwaddeyo 2 million.
Njagala kuba ku live nga sente baweereza nga muzira gisagala bagambe.
Thank you so much.
Aba MTN update eri etyawo aba MTN.
Bantu bagambye mutwale Dubai asome coffee.
Thank you so much, Kamani. Thank you, Sheila.
Thank you
so much. May God bless you. Thank you very, very much. May God bless you.
And by the way, coffee in Dubai?
Me?
Auntie, you said coffee in Dubai.
Bale Timo, kankumuza kino. Bale ne kino kiyinza okukola. Omwana ono Timo bwajjeeyo n'omuyingiza so omufuni ajja akolera.
Nedda tuso mutwala mu Hayes ne muleta nze direct ku mulimu. Kozo okujja ataanoonya omulimu kijja kubeera kizibu. Nate Hayes.
Naye asooka abeereko ko mu town Bruno, apikinge brain.
Nange kinjagala.
Asooka abeere, then after waba mukozi, then maybe Timo asobola.
Muzayo katosi, katosi bakigaanyi.
But where is that? Is that like Mbarara side?
No, Mukono district.
Katosi tujiganye buli omu aganye wano mu comment section tadda Katosi tubiganye taddayo Katosi tujiganye abe Katosi mujja kumulabako bulabi ngazze okulambula ku mataka
Mama Muwanguzi walonyedde ku cappuccino.
Katosi is like almost a village, so it's not that.
Muwanguzi wanywako cappuccino wa
buli mbuka mugulire yogera
kangulire bugulizi nsobola okalabako.
Muwanguzi olinde ku chips.
Ate olaba Bruno olaba social media Bruno olaba social media ina so much big influence lwakuba era kyasooka okukola kyakufuna simu eriko TikTok.
I was telling the sister here.
That's the first thing. By tomorrow afune simu olaba nebino ebya mechanic school esobola omugamba abeerewo ate ne bamusasula n'abeera nga advertisinga.
Lwakuba kati buzibu tufunye Sheilah wamaze jabba buli kubanga mwennamu abayambe Muwanguzi. Muwanguzi aina bagundi aina religion ye gyalimu mutekiriza
Adventist. Asha. Jano genda ojako. I always see people.
No, Sheilah, for me, my thinking is like, watandika now TikTok, people manipulate him.
What about Muwanguzi ate ekyo, how is it? Kubanga kati awonze mukwano gwange bugs. Sobola mukubira enkya n'atandika ku next.
Bamuyigiza okanika amasimu. Zora boja.
Good and goodest.
Good and goodest. Yes.
Good and goodest.
Bugs yenyina just ngena mukubira simu bamuteke it's just like a 3 months nga wetumufunira wasobola okubeera maybe ne sister we nayiga olaba Bruno in this life buli kimu waba opportunity ng'omuntu nga Muwanguzi weba kuwa opportunity y'okuyiga ekintu kiyige. Era n'oyiga simu enkya n'oyiga ebya garage buli kimu opportunity ejja kubeera awo ogitwala okitegeera.
Sheilah however much twagala okuwa Muwanguzi tumuwa ate kyajja osobola tasobola kanika simu. Bruno K esimu eri sophisticated naye ate
there's nothing impossible.
Timo ajja kuyiga.
Motoka mwenyini waliwo byotasobola kuyiga nga byetaaga computer ng'ogamba wheel alignment n'ebisigadde owa computer
yakola. Kati ye bajjamu waayo ka department kana picking oba screen oba battery.
Ategeko screen gani?
Is my friend.
Abantu bakomentinga nnyo Zari neze simu
no, she's not on. She just said she was not on. She just
these
told
guys
me.
they're just commenting.
Yeah, she's like,
oh no, Zari fake.
Sorry. She's like, I texted her, and she's like, oh, which live? And I said the live we're on, and she's like, oh no, she's not on it. Yeah.
I didn't see the gifters. Oh, Zari, what temu?
Yes. So. But then oli my friend Bugs era ina abantu abakoma mu S3 S4 bajja ne bakolachi
Sheilah bomala okuwereza bambi ngamba wano bagayi bagambe.
Oh, it's now midnight. Let me do it now.
Yo, Sengo International, thank you so much. Big up yourself for the gift.
Wow, thanks for the gift.
Abantu be Katosi bagambe nti Katosi netta.
Amma Muwanguzi buli kimu kye bakuwa okuyiga oba okubekinga oba okukola ki oba ki eno life tell easy buli kimu okikola ki okikwata
wamaze kyengendo saba kiri kimu kira
n'owa garage n'okwata
Muwanguzi bamugulyewo TikTok account abantu abali bagundi religion ya Muwanguzi tubale tubasaba
mu religion anyway
wa religion ki
what is the religion
ate ng'agibuuza bali be basumba
mutugambe religion tutegeere kye tuliko
sitawa nganye mu bafaza bajja mutuga mubafaza bakambwe bajja mutuga
banange guys Katonda naye ayamba
naye nga tugenda mugulyawo TikTok banaye bafaza ba Muwanguzi tulamugulyawo TikTok nga nzagikontrolinga kale
Katonda Bruno, let's tell this boy it's his time to hear. Katonda ayamba muntu yeyambye. You know the thing, one time as I'm sending the money, one time my house help nali njagala je on Sunday. Nangamba tasobola kujja ne mugamba Raj when I'm going to pay you extra because she comes and works and goes. Nangamba mbu agenda kubeera mu church. Ne mugamba owaayo sente mmeka. Nangamba owaayo 15 biki. Ne mugamba ne nkugambe come on Sunday to work just to cut for me. Because I like cooking but I don't like to cut the tomatoes bichi. Ne mugamba come ngenda kuwa 50,000. Nangamba naye church ne muga you're praying in church ne muga ogenda nachi nangamba ngenda ne boda ne mugamba pastor wajja atya. Nangamba pastor wanga javuga ne muga katitola anti totegeera.
Gwene pastor o.
Okitegeera. Oli ajja ate sente ze entini zofuna. Because I give her 500 a month. Ate nga tasula wano. Ajja nakola ate nze mbeera nzekka. Ne mugamba sente ntono zofunyi ate oziwoli. Please. Ama Muwanguzi life eno yakwe jjayo.
Waliwo abantu bana